The University of Queensland Gatton Campus sits on 1,068 hectares of prime agricultural land in the Lockyer Valley, 80 kilometres west of Brisbane. It was established in 1897 at Gatton as the Queensland Agricultural College. The college initially operated as a tertiary agricultural institution offering a basic practical and theoretical agricultural education for young men and short courses for farmers on specific topics, but from its inception there was also an expectation that the college would be involved in agricultural research and experimentation. In 1922, it was restructured as the Gatton Agricultural High School and College. From 1927, the college also took students from the University of Queensland for a year of practical experience. During the Second World War, the college was used as a field hospital by the United States Army from 1942 to 1944. After the war, it continued to operate as both a secondary and tertiary institution until the high school section was closed in 1962. In the 1960s, the college began to diversify the courses on offer, and the first women students enrolled in 1969. In 1990, the college merged with the University of Queensland.